Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about a case study on a failure of vehicle gear, and you people are going to discuss how it has happened, why it has happened, and what are the major reasons for the failure of a vehicle gear. In this case study, we are going to discuss about introduction or what are the things in a case study, experimental procedure, result and discussion and conclusion. Next.
Part of introduction, basically we are going to discuss about helical gear which is used in a bus gearbox. So it is, coming to the history, it has been used for past 3 years and the material is ASI 8620 and the evolution methods that we are going to use is visual inspection, chemical analysis, photo documentation, micro hardness measurements and metrographic examination. So basically visual inspection is that we will be seeing the photograph and we will be inspecting it, and photo documentation is that we will be taking the photocopies and we will be seeing how where the problem is and how we can analyze, and chemical analysis is taking out the metal particles out of that particular material. So basically the types of gear failures are due to fatigue and then due to fracture, wear, stress structure, and it is also due to the surface contact fatigue, which are basically pitting and slapping. So the causes are basically because of the misalignment of gears, so that actually causes a failure of gearbox, and poor design which sometimes causes the failures, and due to the overloads and the use of incorrect materials and the heat treatment given to the body will also affect the gearbox, and that is one of the causes of why the gear has actually failed.
This problem with this transmission gearbox means it is manufactured different and like initial problems, gearbox running hot with excessive vibrations. Problem was with the 4-speed drive.
Here, as a point is that that is a transmission gearbox where these gears are employed in the gearboxes where we change the gears from 1, 2 and 3 to 4. This particular case study deals with the problem with the gear on particularly the 4th speed, not on the 1st or 2nd, particularly on the 4th speed.
On looking this picture, we can clearly see that these are not properly manufactured in brakes. Number of people vehicle gear services and angular taken between model or 4 mm, pitch circle diameter is 150 mm, outer diameter is 150 mm, base is 40 mm.
So here these values are particularly matching with the standard parameters. So there is no any issues with the design aspect or the manufacturing aspect. Okay, next one.
The result revealed that the material was AISI 8620 carbonized steel. Core harness is 439 and
Surface harness is 550. It's because this two things comes into the picture, which because as previously said by Jama, it is heat treated, right? So it is heat treated means it's partially heated. It means it is only surface heat treated. So surface area has high hardness and the core or the inner surface has the low hardness when compared to the surface hardness. This is the microstructure where there are two things that you can see. The black color is martensite region and the white color is the retained aspect.
You can see the crack of the gear tooth is at the start initial point, and the benchmarks can be seen by naked eye. The problem is our diagonal tooth of the gear tooth is broken off, and the number of adjacent marks has been changed due to fatigue.
Next one. The next one.
Fitting is this called as a restrictive fitting, and if you see this is called as a spalling. Actually, the spalling is caused because of the effective contact of the stress. Next, the spalling is larger in diameter and quite shallow.
conclude that this material is failed due to the fatigue crack, and misalignment was observed which has caused failure, and the farmers not restricted lifting and failing and was